And the race on Valentine Rose from the outside by Darrell's War Star. Rushing up Hagen, kisses down on the inside, Nato Express Delgado. On the further outside, Sweet Julian, yes we can. Arbor Magic second last, while Alira's Choice running at the tail of the field. Nato Express by 2, followed by Delgado. And running in third, War Star, Hugs and Kisses. Sweet Julian is racing in fifth by Sound to Lines. Arbor Magic sneaking down on the inside, taking the 6th position. And rounding the fourth turn, Nato Express by Sound 3 lines, followed by Delgado. War Star is running in third, rushing up Sweet Julian. And Hugs and Kisses, Arbor Magic sneaking down on the inside. Last 4:15, Nato Express, Delgado. Nato Express, War Star, Delgado, Sweet Julian rushing up together with Arbor Magic as they raise the final corner. Nato Express, War Star, Sweet Julian is on the outside. Arbor Magic on the further outside is Valentine Rose. It's still entry number 3. Sweet Julian is now the leader. Valentine Rose is on the outside. Sweet Julian, Valentine Rose, and finally Sweet Julian. Valentine Rose, Arbor Magic, Alira's Choice, and War Star for your Pentafecta.